Morning children, we have already completed first semester. Now I will start with the second semester portion. Okay, we have already completed alphabets, capital letters A to Z. So here page number 8. Which book you have to open? New Sparkle Semester Series Standard Junior KG Semester 2 book you have to open. Page number 8, Alphabet Review. All boys have removed the book? Okay. Now see here. Write A to Z. Capital letters you have already learnt. Yes or no? Now see here. This just you have to trace and write. See here. This is A. Okay. This is B. This is B. This is C. This is D. This is E. This is F. In this way you have to say and write. Already you are very perfect now. Yes or no? A, B, C, D, E, F. G. See here. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. This is Y. This is Z. This is Z. Okay. This is what I have showed you first line. A, B, C, D, E, F. No? Yes. Now second line is G, H, I, J, K, L. Third line M, N, O, P, Q, R. The fourth line S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Y, Z. This, see here. This is trace and write. Trace and write. Now most of the children in the paper, now I have corrected your papers. Most of the people have written, but most of them have not touched the 3 line. You have not touched the 3 line. So I ask all the parents to take the alphabets in correct 3 line, so that you will be able to write properly when I will start with the small letters. It will be very easy for you people. So just have and concentrate, and please parents, I request you all, take your child homework. Whatever I am giving the homework, take it in correct 3 line. Not all, but few of them. They have not written in correct 3 line. and they are not writing, no, just you help them how to write. See here, this is A. Right. Second one is write the missing letters. So here A is there and here middle it is gap. No, here F is there. G and again here little gap K is there. Again gap is there. Again here gap O P. You can see, no, these are the gaps. Where gaps are there, there you have to fill the alphabets. There you have to fill the alphabet. So, parents, let your child write his own, because now online exams are going on. It's okay. But when the child will come to the class, when the child will enter the class, he should be able to write his own. That time, parents or the teacher will not help. We will give this. You have seen the papers now. Already you have seen the paper. In this way only the exam will be conducted. Parents, now you are helping your child. You help them. I am not saying that you don't help your child. You help them, but parents do not write the paper. Parents do not write the paper. You help the child. Now here A is there. Here what will come? You just tell them. A, after A, B comes. After B, C. Then the child will write himself. The child will be able to write himself. Okay. So this what I wanted to say, because I have corrected the papers I have seen. The children, some children have written their own, but some children, parents have wrote the paper, answer paper. So please parents, do not do like that. You help your child, let him write, it may be wrong, but let him write his own. When the school will start, no, you will not come there to help the child. Nor I am going to help them. They will write their own. Okay. So, here A is over. See here. This is B. This is C. This is D. This is E. This is F is there already. F is there. See F. G also is there. G. Then here, right, H, here, I, J, here K, capital K, here again, L, M, N, O, P, here, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, this is X, this is X, this is Y. You can see on the upside Y, this is Z is already given. Just you have to write it this way. So write the missing letters also we have completed now. That is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yes or no? Already we have completed the capital letters A to Z. A to Z. Now what we will do? We will come to the new alphabet of small letters. New alphabet, small letter. That is capital A. Capital A. A for ant. A for ant. A for actor. A for actor. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Color the aeroplane. In this way you have to, same as you have done for the capital letters. In that way only you have to go on writing. See here. You have to give the outline. You only do. You don't ask your parents, okay? You only do. Whatever you know, you only do. and color this aeroplane. Aeroplane. Ant means you know, no, big ant. गुड़ के ऊपर रहता है ये एंट, बड़ा होता है एंट. एंट मीन्स बिग वन. एक्टर, एक्टर जो पिक्चर में काम करता है, ही इज जोकर. एक्टर एक्टिंग जो करता है पिक्चर में, ही इज कॉल्ड एन एक्टर. एंड दिस इज ए फॉर एरोप्लेन. एरोप्लेन में कौन कौन बैठा है? ओके, so A for ant, A for ant, A for actor, A for actor, A for aeroplane, A for aeroplane, A for aeroplane, A for actor, A for actor, A for ant, A for ant. Trace the lines to complete the pattern. See here. It is little bit difficult. Small letters I am going to start today. Small letters it is. Okay, small letter. Only small letter A. Because we have already completed capital letters. Capital letters. Now this is the small one. Do here. See, half circle this way. Half circle. Middle line. You are having 4-line book, no? 4-line book you have. Yes. This 2-line you can see, no? Blue color, 2 dark line is there. Yes. वो बीच वाले लाइन में तुम्हें लिखना है इस तरह से. देखो ऐसे, देखो ऐसे, देखो ऐसे. हाँ, अभी जो तुम्हारा नीचे का मिडल लाइन और जो है ना, उसको तुम्हें सिर्फ ऐसे घुमाना है, थोड़ा सा कर्व करके, थोड़ा सा ऐसे. ये देखो इस तरह से. ऐसे करना है तुम्हें इस तरह से. ओके. हाँ, नाउ राइट द लेटर ए. राइट द लेटर ए. तुम्हें ऐसा मैंने बोला है, हाफ सर्कल करके इसको ऐसा लेना है. देखो ए, ऐसे करके ऐसे लिखना है. हाफ सर्कल करके इसको ऐसे नीचे लेना है. ऐसा हाफ सर्कल करके इसको ऐसे करना है. हाफ सर्कल ऐसे, हाफ सर्कल ऐसे, हाफ सर्कल, हाफ सर्कल, हाफ सर्कल ऐसे. ऐसे करके तुम्हें लिखना है. कंप्लीट द पेज. ये थोड़ा सा तुम्हें नहीं आएगा तो मैं तुम्हें सब कुछ बताती हूँ. पूरा पेज कंप्लीट करती हूँ. इस तरह से तुम्हें लिखना है. देखो, खाली ट्रेस करके लिखना है. खाली ट्रेस करके तुम्हें लिखना है. देखो इस तरह, इस तरह तुम्हें लिखकर कंप्लीट करना है. ओके. नाउ सो दिस इज एन एंट. तो तुम्हें क्या बोलना है? दिस इज एन एंट. दिस इज एन एंट. पिक्चर देख के तुम्हें बोलना है दिस इज एन एंट. ओके. दिस वे यू हैव टू रीड एंड राइट फुल. Now homework will be given. Alphabets, capital letters A to Z, 2 pages. Small letter A. Only A I am going to give today. Only A, 2 pages. It's little difficult but it's very easy. See here. Half circle तुम्हें लेना है पहले, उसके बाद यहाँ से डंडा इस तरह से लेना है. Now have your 4-line book. So small letter, how to write? See here. This is your 4-line book, and in the middle 2 line, no? See here. This is your 4-line book. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 2 line you can see, no? This 2 line. This 2 line here you have to write. Put round, and this you take down this way. See here. A. This way round you can put, or you can do half circle, and after that this. See here, half circle, and this way. Or you can do as, write it in this way. Round, this down. Round, down. Round, this is small a. small a. A. This is your 4-line book. You also in your 4-line book write A, small a. Have you got it? So, capital letters A to Z 2 pages, small letter only A 2 pages. Read and write. This is the homework for you. Okay, children? Thank you. We will meet in the next video. Okay, bye.